People, it's me, Kinghuman. Listen up. This is an important video. You need to watch the whole thing. I'm going to put you on the path to success. No BS. Watch this video. Okay, what's doing? I just watched somebody give out some really bad advice. And it's common advice that I hear all the time. These guys telling people, look, if you want to make fast, easy money online, the first thing you have to do is pick a niche that you're personally passionate about. I'm here to tell you that's the wrong thing. It's BS. You know, depending on what you want to do. If you want to pursue your passion, that's different. If you want to make money online, if you want to make money, you don't pick a niche that is your passion necessarily. What you do is you cast a wide net. You try a million different things out there because you don't know what's going to work. You got to find what's going to work. The first step is casting a wide net and trying as many things out there as you can. As many ways to make money online as you possibly can. Because you don't know what's going to work. So you test a bunch of different things. You put some time and energy and maybe even some money into these things. You got a bunch of them going on. Now, when one of those things shows you a return of your investment of time, money, or both, you laser focus on that one thing. It's giving you an indicator. It's telling you, hey, this could possibly work, even if it only makes you $5. It's showing you something. It's a flashing red light saying, hey, this could work. Then you look at it and you say, can I scale this up? How can I scale this up? What can I do to expand on this? How can I make it grow? That's how you make money online. Not by saying, ooh, I'm passionate about growing flowers. Or I had one kid tell me he wanted to write a book about how to hit a baseball. And he thought he was going to make a bunch of money writing his book on how to hit a baseball. And I had to tell him, dude, you have to calm down. You have to tell me, first of all, what is your goal? Is your goal to make money, or is your goal to write a book to stroke your ego and talk about your passion? If you want to talk about your passion and write a book as a passion project, go for it. If you think this is going to make you money, you're delusional. If you want to make money online, try a million different things. When something shows you that it can work, even on a small scale, you focus your attention on that. Go ahead, drop all the other things and focus on that and see if you can build it up. If it goes nowhere, you start again. Cast another big, wide net and try a million different things. And then look for those little seeds to grow into a sprout. When that sprout comes out, you give it water, you give it attention, you give it fertilizer, and you grow it into a mighty oak tree. Let me tell you something about this whole concept about pick something you're passionate about and make money. Look, I'm not passionate about pantyhose. You know, I don't wear pantyhose. I don't care about pantyhose. Pantyhose is something I've never even thought about before. But let me tell you something. If I made $10 million a month in pantyhose, in the pantyhose business, I would be personally freaking passionate about it. So it depends on what you're after. If you're after being financially secure, making money online, you try a lot of different things. You don't narrow your opportunities. Okay, I hope this makes sense. With that in mind, I'm going to tell you, go join my website, thekinghumanelite.com. There's a million different ways on there to make money online. You need to go there. You need to get in while you can. If you can't get in, it's because I limit my memberships. So if you can get in, good for you. Get in, and do not let your membership go because I don't allow in and outs. So get in Get in there, try a bunch of different things. They're all there for you to use, completely done for you, businesses in a box, training on how to set everything up. Just, okay, do it, don't do it, I don't care. But donate a few bucks to help a sick kid at St. Jude's Research Hospital for Kids. What could be better? Okay, take my advice, share this video with somebody you think could benefit from it, because people are getting the wrong advice. Bayonara.